everyone! Today is Casey's birthday, and I have to do everything for her. Let's go! This is the bowl where we can have our own snacks, like popcorn. Blast! Hey, and there's Casey now. Casey is going to be so surprised. Okay, everyone, it's time for the surprise party. I can't wait! Okay. When Casey comes in, Hallie will turn on the lights, and then everybody will yell, surprise! Are you going to yell surprise too? You will? Great! Hallie, will you please do the honor? Okay. Hey, where did everybody go? Nice little owl and penguin. Nobody came to my party. Now! Surprise! Happy birthday, Casey! What's this special occasion? It's your birthday on April 22. It's been grand. It's been cool, Crave. It's been good. I need to go by. Hey, where did Tommy go? Look, he's quitting the birthday party. I'm going to fix some cars. Aw, thanks, guys. Happy birthday, Casey, on April 22! Hooray! Aw, thanks. Wow, I'm going to the store to get some dubstep music. Ah! I'm still fine. Hey, Tommy, are you there? Ah! Well, happy birthday, Casey, on April 22. Time for me to go on a rescue.